What's up everyone, I'm back with another video. Wait a minute. That's a lot better. So I thought, I decided to do a wish tag for Christmas. Sounds like a great idea. And some weird Oreo taste test. I want to find candy cane flavored Oreo. Couldn't find it, so it's peanut butter flavored Oreo. What? Why? So first, let me find wish tag. It's not English. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna turn off the camera right now. Well, I'm back. I guess I found one. It's not English, but I can translate it. So, the first question is, if you oh, my iPhone is freaking out. If you could be everything you want, what would you be? That's a great question. Wait a minute, I need to translate something. Chemistry teacher, that's what I meant. I want to be a chemistry teacher. I don't know why, I just really like chemistry class. I like being a teacher. At least teacher, maybe in other subject. But at least I want to be a teacher. I hope I can be a chemistry teacher. Next question. If you could buy something real expensive, what would it be? Good question. I would buy... I don't know, I think I'll buy a house. Because I want a house. A really big house. Well, okay, let's go to the next question. Third question. Hello? If you could meet a film star, who would it be? Oh, I know that. That will be it would be the cast of Friends. Those are my heroes. I want to meet them. If you could be teleported to one place all the time that you want, what would it be? I guess it would be Israel. My family lives there. It would be a lot easier if I could just teleport to Israel instead of fly every time. Sounds good to me. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I'm not at home. I'm at my grandmother's home because it's Christmas. I'm gonna celebrate Christmas today, so that's why I'm at my grandmother's house. Next question. It's going so fast. If you could eat something without getting fat or sick, what would it be? It would, at least isn't gonna be this. This is disgusting, I guess. It's gonna be, let me think, that's a good one. I guess it is gonna be Dorito ice cream, of course. There's someone outside. What the fuck? It's my dad. Okay. Yes, cookie dough ice cream, or just cookie dough. That will be enough. So, let's go to the next question. And well, I'm just gonna skip this question. I don't even know the answer to this question. If you could have a superpower, what would it be? It would be, I think, being like super strong or something. That would be cool. Yes, of course. Or maybe reading thoughts. One of them. I'm not sure. Maybe running really fast, so when I'm late for school, I'll never be late to school. So, well, I don't know. If you, no, forget it. If you could have every pet that you want, what would it be? It'll be a duck, and his name is gonna be Hank, because that's super awesome. I love ducks. Let's see. I guess that's it. So that means I'm gonna need to try these disgusting Oreos. At least I have a candy cane. Hope that helps. Help me, I'm gonna die. I don't wanna die. I'm still young. I'm so young. I'm too young to die. Okay, oh, super fancy. Oh, if you want to know what I got for Christmas, well, I got 50 euros and super fancy minion champagne, because don't know why. That's just what I got for Christmas. We don't really celebrate Christmas in the Netherlands. It's just we just don't celebrate it that much. We have like 30 days. I hate that word. 3 days of Christmas. You know, Christmas Eve, first day of Christmas and second day of Christmas. Don't know why, and we don't even celebrate one of them. But I don't really care. I mean, oh, this smells really bad. Well, let's open it. Oh, oh, it's on my finger. Oh, look how gross. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, that's nothing. Yeah, thank you. It's wow, and I just turned on the lights. It's got dark outside, so oh, I don't want to taste. Oh my god, this is disgusting. Oh, this is salty. What is this? It's oh, it isn't that bad. Yeah, actually, it is like it doesn't really taste peanut butter. It's not that I don't like peanut butter. I love peanut butter, but it sounds like a really bad combination. Oreo and peanut butter. Well, I hoped it was disgusting. That will make my video a little bit more interesting. Now my video is... oh, shit. I have the same... Hi. See, got another shirt on. Oh, this is comfy. You know, I want to buy a Christmas sweater. Didn't find anyone, but I didn't find a Christmas sweater, so I just put on just a normal sweater. It's pretty comfy. This is it. Where's my phone? Oh, it's right here. I got a question. When this iPhone 7 comes out, I'm gonna buy a new iPhone. I'm not sure which color. I think I want a white iPhone. I'm not sure. White is just nice. It's just a nicer back. You know. Which color should I? Bitch. What the fuck? Which color iPhone should I buy next time? Cause I'm not sure anymore. You know. So bye. Bye.